Well, it certainly is just a very short distance from Homesley to Setthorns, and we're literally just about to pull in. So we'll check in, say hello, how you doing and all the rest of it, and see whereabouts we're going to park for the next couple of days, and hopefully tomorrow get some sunshine and get some great video footage. As you can see, own chemical toilet required. Open all year. They've got electric hookups, grass and hard standing. We're not going to go on the grass this time. As you can see, there's water filling points and also the toilet emptying points all the way around. And of course, recycling, normal household waste, all sorts of bins. Right, so we're going to go on try to find a track and try to find a track. There's hundreds of tracks around here. We're going to hopefully find this one that takes you into Sway. And in Sway, there's a couple of shops in there. So let's go and it's only about probably a mile away. So let's go and find that. Setthorns in the New Forest. Well, what a wonderful time we've had, set right in the forest. No matter the season, it's a special place, but autumn, well, that's something else. The light through the trees, the bird song, the ponies and deer quietly going about their day. It's proper New Forest magic. This video hopefully gives you a feel for it. The colours, the sound and the peaceful rhythm that you only get when you're tucked among the trees. At Setthorns, you'll need your own facilities, but they've got electric hookups, water fill-up points, chemical toilet emptying stations dotted all around, and a motorhome service point too. Here's a little bonus. If you're over 60, you can get up to 20% off, which makes it even better value. As always, all of the contact details are underneath the video. And a big thank you to Camping New Forest, working in partnership with Forestry England, for inviting us back again. But for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, from Teresa, Jasmine and my good self, TIStubear, keep watching The Travelling Bear with TIStubear.